Some time ago, a wise old man gave me a recipe for attracting money during difficult economic times. He was a descendant of indigenous people and inherited a legacy of methods from his ancestors. People from the town, suffering from various financial problems and bad energy, sought his advice and healing. The teacher always welcomed them with a big smile and taught them exercises and techniques to improve their luck. However, no one knew about his secret method of washing feet in vinegar. One day, when I was struggling financially, I went to this old man for help because I had heard about his techniques for attracting prosperity. When I spoke with him, he understood my need and did not hesitate to share a magical method his ancestors used to improve their luck, the art of vinegar feet. He explained that it is an ancient technique that involves letting your feet rest in a container with vinegar and water in a quiet place. This simple yet powerful exercise helps relax the feet and stimulates the circulation of vital energy. If you are facing financial problems and accumulating debts, stay and watch this video because I will teach you how to wash your feet with vinegar. Get ready to see incredible changes in your life. You will feel more energetic. Your finances will improve. You will be luckier. And even your relationships will get better. Many people do not understand how vinegar works to attract money and success in our lives. But it is very simple. Often our paths to abundance are blocked by negative energies around us. Toxic people at work or envious neighbors can transfer their negative vibrations to us, which reach us through our feet and the palms of our hands. This is why many shamans recommend walking barefoot on the ground or any surface directly connected to the earth. By doing this, you release all negative energy and connect with the earth. Pay attention because we are going to harness the power of your feet, which along with your hands, are some of the most important parts of your body as they are in contact with the ground and carry significant energy. Take note of what you need. A container or bucket to submerge or immerse your feet. White vinegar. 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Refined salt is acceptable, but coarse salt has a faster effect. Salt has had profound significance for humanity for millennia, being the only mineral we consume directly and considered a precious good. It possesses its own energetic power and positive vibration. We will begin the method by filling the container with 3 liters of water and 3 splashes of vinegar. Then add the salt. Find a quiet place to store the mixture, away from light, noise, and large temperature variations. Even having an appliance nearby could interfere. Leave it in a dark and safe place where it can work quietly for 24 hours. The next day, find a quiet place to relax, preferably in nature, to connect with the tranquility and energy of the outdoors. If you cannot be in nature, find a quiet corner on your terrace where you won't be disturbed. Prepare to perform the method by placing both feet inside the container at the same time and say the following. From now on, everything will be much better. I cleanse and transmute the energies of my body and only attract prosperity. Close your eyes and feel how the impurities fade with each drop that touches your skin. Imagine all the negative energies, worries, and tensions around you slowly moving away, visualizing them as dark clouds dissipating or smoke rising and vanishing. Then, imagine a flow of positive energy and prosperity approaching you, visualizing it as a bright light surrounding you and filling you with a sense of peace and abundance. Take a moment to feel gratitude for all the good things in your life and for the good things to come. You can repeat this exercise regularly to reinforce the feeling of warding off negative energies and attracting prosperity to your life. This practice offers new perspectives about yourself and the world around you, becoming not only an act of physical purification, but also a symbol of internal purification and renewal. Ideas and techniques like washing the feet with vinegar are threads woven into the tapestry of our lives, creating a rich pattern of connection, discovery, and understanding. If you like this information, write in the comments, "I cleanse and transmute the energies of my body and only attract prosperity." Don't forget to share this video so it reaches the people who need it. I send you a cordial greeting and wish you success and prosperity.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.